Scientists still don't fully understand these places, not because they haven't tried, but because the evidence doesn't fully agree with any explanation. Across the planet are locations that appear to defy geology, history, engineering, or probability itself, places with impossible symmetry, structures older than civilization, landscapes shaped in ways nature rarely allows. These are not myths. They are real, documented, studied, and yet still unexplained. Place number 1, the Richat Structure, Eye of the Sahara. In the endless emptiness of the Sahara Desert lies something that looks artificial, almost designed. The Richat Structure, known as the Eye of the Sahara, is a massive circular formation more than 40 kilometers wide. From the ground, it's barely noticeable. From space, it's unmistakable. Perfectly concentric rings, evenly spaced, almost hypnotic. When it was first discovered in the 1960s, scientists believed it was the scar of a colossal asteroid impact. But further investigation revealed something strange. There was no shocked quartz, no melted rock, no debris field. Today, the leading theory suggests it's a deeply eroded geological dome formed by uplift and volcanic activity over millions of years. But that explanation leaves one major question unanswered. Why is it so perfectly circular? Astronauts aboard the International Space Station use it as a navigation reference, a naturally occurring landmark unlike any other on Earth. Place number 2, Göbekli Tepe. In southeastern Turkey stands a site that shattered everything archaeologists thought they knew about early humans. Göbekli Tepe dates back to approximately 9,600 BCE, over 11,000 years ago. According to traditional history, humans at that time were hunter-gatherers. They had no cities, no agriculture, no organized labor, and yet, these stones weigh up to 20 tons each. They're carved with detailed reliefs of animals, lions, snakes, birds, and insects. No nearby quarry has been definitively identified. No tools capable of this precision have been found. Even more baffling, after centuries of use, Göbekli Tepe was intentionally buried by its builders. Not abandoned, not destroyed, buried. Some researchers believe it was the world's first temple. Others think it served an unknown ritual purpose we no longer understand. One archaeologist called it history's first zero point. Place number 3, the door to hell, Darvaza gas crater. In Turkmenistan's Karakum Desert, there is a crater that has been burning continuously since 1971. Soviet geologists accidentally drilled into an underground natural gas cavern. The ground collapsed, forming a crater over 200 feet wide. To prevent poisonous gases from escaping, scientists ignited the site, believing it would burn out within days. That was over 50 years ago. The fire still burns today, fueled by methane seeping from deep beneath the earth. Researchers still don't know how much gas remains below, or how long the fire will continue. Place number 4, the Moeraki Boulders. On a quiet beach in New Zealand lie dozens of massive stone spheres, some nearly perfectly round. The Moeraki boulders can weigh several tons and reach over 2 meters in diameter. Geologists say they formed over millions of years as mineral concretion slowly accumulated around a nucleus. But that doesn't explain why so many formed in one place, or why their symmetry rivals man-made stonework. Maori legends describe them as the remains of ancient gourds and food baskets from a legendary canoe wreck. Place number 5, the Crooked Forest. In western Poland, there's a forest where the laws of growth seem ignored. Over 400 pine trees curve sharply at their base before growing straight upward. All were planted around 1930. No official records explain the deformation. None of the explanations fully account for the uniformity, or why neighboring forests grew normally. Place number 6, Blood Falls, Antarctica. In Antarctica, a glacier appears to bleed. Blood Falls releases iron-rich water trapped beneath the ice for over 1 million years. When the water hits oxygen, the iron oxidizes, turning the ice blood red. But the ecosystem below exists without sunlight, oxygen, or contact with the outside world. It's one of the closest analogs scientists have to possible life on Mars. These places weren't meant to exist, at least not according to what we thought we knew. They challenge our timelines, our theories, our confidence. And maybe the most unsettling truth is this: the Earth has been here for over 4.5 billion years. We've only been studying it for a moment. Which of these places do you think holds the biggest secret? And how many more are still hidden? Thanks for watching. If this video made you pause, question, or see things differently, then it did its job. Feel free to explore more ideas here, and as always, keep thinking.